Morning, guys. Saturday. What month are we? We're January 15th. Hey, why are you laughing at me, bro? We got Kyle, the Straight Up Driven kid. We got Ruben here, part of Team Straight Up Driven. We're gonna go meet some of the rest of the guys. We're on new rally today with Manu. It's gonna be incredible. He puts on some great rallies. So we met here at my house. Don't give away my address, Sky. Don't want people to, come to the house uninvited. But we're gonna take a pair of the Lambos out today, and we're gonna go meet the rest of the guys right now. Hit the road, have some fun. Share the road with our friends. How can we spend a Saturday any better? Check us out, come along, have some fun. All right, he hasn't been out on any. Whoa! Whoa! You made your own shirt. You made your own shirt.
Hey, not only
now he's making his own shirt.
Not only you.
Wow!
Hey, I got something for you actually. Hold on.
You got a new hat?
I'm gonna get him something. Yeah, man.
Oh.
So you can change.
Hey, could you make it any smaller? Like, look at that. Like, I mean, that looks just like really cheap, bro. Look at this. Like, this is cheap.
That's how he says you will. Thank you, by the way.
Yeah,
you're welcome,
cheap,
Tony.
Bro. I only wear high quality items,
you're
bro.
Welcome, bro. This is definitely looks like it's freaking from 1988. This is not high quality shit.
I was born in 1980s, bro. Bro, your first rally of 2022, you're back.
No, definitely not back.
You're back.
Definitely not back.
He's here for all the rallies, guys.
I'm gonna be sick for the rest of the year for sure.
No.
Hey,
yeah.
Get a lot of angles, bro, and then we're gonna edit me into somebody else. So
okay, I come from a family with receded hairlines. Okay, it's okay.
You have pretty good positive hair, bro.
I think we're ready to go. I think we got to Mark.
Everybody else.
Well, Mark changed the meet location. Did everybody get that? No. So Mark decided at the last minute that we could all go meet him at the E85.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's
because he's got the fastest car. He needs the special E85 gas.
Is Juan with him?
Juan is waiting for a babysitter to come at 8 a.m. because him and his wife are coming together. So the babysitter, so he's gonna meet us on the road. Like, we are very disorganized. By the end of this, we gotta get organized.
All right. We're ready to go. Tired. It's been a long day. Ready to go home and sleep. Too bad it's 8:19 in the morning still. So we are getting followed. We're going to a second location right now because some of us needed a nanny. We're waiting for the nanny, and we're on our way. And hopefully it's gonna be a good day today.
I am so obsessed. I want to chop your
I see a lot of the same faces on the rallies, but I love meeting new people.
I don't know what he's talking about. This is the shyest guy that's there. Man, look how shy he is.
This is new rally. We got to meet Manu. Sky, you have to ride with Mike.
It would probably be good to get the outside of Mike.
You just got to ride with Mike a little
I'll tell you what, though, to make you feel better, when I'm at a big enough race where the media's there, the TV and the magazines, they always put the people with me because I don't get them sick.
Oh,
Some guys, they like to get people sick. I don't get anybody sick. You might get scared, but you won't get sick.
I'm going to have to put you in with Mike, Sky. This is Manu. He's the owner of New Rally. We put this all together. So what are we doing today?
Oh man, like my brain's like so many places. I mean, what are we doing today? We're doing the canyon drive, the freeway drive. We rented out this mansion in Palm Springs. We're gonna have a chef cook for us, and then we're gonna have fun.
There's always like hidden gems in your rallies, bro. Like you spend a lot of time putting them together. I mean, like at a lot of the guys, like New Rally has a reputation on putting on some of the nicest drives and craziest parties. I'm not as big a partier as these guys, but if you're a partier, you want to come out on a New Rally event for sure.
Don't just party.
Wow, you party pretty hard though, bro. Hey, thank you so much for having us, and we're excited, bro, to see it.
Definitely don't come on these routes if you want to hear shit like this.
You right with Victor? May God be with you. All right? Be safe. I don't know if you know, it's raining. So normal people drive slower.
Get the hell out of here.
Yeah, it's raining, bro.
When is it raining?
Hey, where's Ruben at?
right behind me, flagged me to go to pull over, but there was too many of us. So I just kept on going, said a little prayer, and then he went away. But right now, about 25, 30 deep. There's a cop in front of us, cop behind us. So we're definitely driving like Prius drivers. And I'm not bashing on Prius driving because I'm definitely a Prius driver myself.
All right, guys, we made it. We're here in Palm Springs. This is the final destination on New Rally. We got this beautiful view up here that I'm sure Sky will show you.